Welcome back, scholars. We're going to be going over the answers to your do now. The very first one is going to be 4. What you had to do is do some rounding for the first 4 that we do. The first number that you looked at was 4 and 1/10. That rounds down to 4. The next number you looked at is 14 and 9/10. That rounds up to 15. The next number you looked at was 2 and 5/10, which rounds up to 3. And then the last number you looked at was 7 and 876 thousandths, which will round up to an 8. Then you did some addition or subtractions with decimal numbers. The first question was an addition. You're going to be adding 5/10 plus 1/10, which equals 6/10. The next number you took was 4 and 8/10 minus 1, which gives you 3 and 8/10. The next number you did is an addition. We had, let's see here, 4 and 834 thousandths plus 1 equals 5 and 834 thousandths. And the last one we did is a subtraction. We had 3 and 456 thousandths minus 3 thousandths gives us 3 and 453,000. Hope those were fairly easy for you. Let's continue. Can I get a brave scholar to volunteer and read our objective? Gonna pause the video. Excellent, excellent. Great orators. Thank you for reading out loud and being a leader in your advisory class. Scholars will be able to generate 2 number patterns from given rules, plot the points, and analyze the patterns. So what we're going to do today is pretty much what we did yesterday. We have the coordinate grid. We also have input-output boxes. This time we're going to have as many as 3 input-output boxes per coordinate grid. That means that we could be posting up to 3 different lines with 3 different coordinate pairs on them. 3 different ones, all right? So, and then once we have all that on there, there's going to be some lines that are drawn from there, from the patterns that are there, and we're going to say, okay, are these parallel? That means they do not intersect. Do they intersect? Do the lines intersect? Do they go on forever? Either way. Or do they stop somewhere? Let's think about that one there. All right. So we're going to have some fun doing that. Let's get started. All right, you're going to have a draw it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my slide. You're going to have 6 minutes to do this here. I'm going to get you started. So I'm going to be looking at my coordinate grid here. And it's going to be coming down and it's going to give me the rule right here. The rule is y is 2 more than x. How would I write it? I would write it y equals x plus 2. So then I start substituting the 1 for x. So if I put 1 in here for x, I have 1 plus 2, which gives me 3. And the coordinate grid that I have, or points, is 1 and 3. I'm going to do the next one so that you can get an idea of what is needed, and then you can do the last 2 on this one, and then go ahead and graph it. We have 5 plus 2 equals 7, and then our coordinate pair would become 5 and 7. I'm going to give you 6 minutes to complete the other 2 boxes. Complete this one, the other 2, and make sure that you draw your lines using the answers you get for the coordinate pairs here, and label it. Like for this one will be line L, and say the line is right here. You will label the line L. See you in the next video.